come down here and check out the lake a little bit. See what's been going on. I'm now only 32 foot up, but I have a bank fishing spot, so that's good. Anyway, if y'all have been watching the last couple of videos I've been doing, it's about creek fishing. And during the summer, creek fishing gets rough. The water gets hot and the creeks pretty much dry up. Fish don't want to bite, or they just aren't there anymore. It's pretty much like wintertime. Wintertime you're looking for cold water. Summertime you're looking for wintertime you're looking for warm water. Summertime you're looking for cold water. So I did a little experiment. I pulled up Google Maps, found my creek, found the last access point for the public, and then measured the distance between how far you could park and where it ran into a river. And this river is a cold water river. It's a trout river that's dam fed, so the water coming out of the dam is about 55 degrees. So at the fork you're going to have the warm water and the cold water mixing, and I figured that's going to be an awesome spot to fish. So I parked, got on my gear, set a timer on my phone for 2 hours, and the plan was I'm going to hike for 2 hours towards the river. Hopefully I make it to the fork, but I doubt it because it's about 6 miles and I'm bushwhacking. So hike 2 hours. At that 2 hour mark I stop and start fishing and start making my way back. So that's what I did. And when that alarm went off, I did my first cast. Bam, fish. What? That was quick. Good buddy. Okay. You're a turd. Not a rock bass. I think it's my first one. Hey. Ah! Oh, sorry guys. I was going to show you that one. He was pretty. Oh, he let go. That's alright, he was tiny. I don't know about this hook. I was using the squirrel head jig heads, which are really meant for worms. They're meant for a special worm. But I was trying it with the crawdad because I like the way the football shape of the jig head. But I was getting a pile of bites and I noticed that I wasn't hooking up. I mean, I was getting the bites but not hooking. So I decided to go for a bigger hook, wider gap. Next cast, bam. guess that worked. That's a nice smallmouth too. Whew. Oh, throw it. Oh, throw it. Oh. That is a nice smallmouth.
I'm breaking up the fillet knife.
Oh. Whew. Nice. Sorry, bud. Didn't mean to drop you. It's just, you get away from the water. Golly. Yeah, I kept getting bites, but I couldn't hook them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're supposed to find it.
Yeah. Whew. It's in the bag. Look at that, baby. Whew. Yeah, I thought it was all babies in there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, put the right rig on.
Wait.
I don't think it'll get that. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna give him a good shot of him. Look at that, baby. That's a nice smallmouth. Say ah, oh. All right, you ready to go? I think you're ready. Wait, you went the wrong way. No, I did not just do that. That's a heck of a way to hook a bass. It's a two-handed, two-fister. A little guy. Get your bag. Alright. Got you by the skin of your chin, little baby. Good. Two bass right there. Got him. Oh yeah. I saw him the whole time. Woo! I saw you swimming. I saw you swimming. Threw it right in front of him. He went for it. There was a spider bass with him too. Right there. Hi. That was awesome. Oh man, that's adrenaline rush. They were swimming towards you, so I tossed it in front of them that way, and then they did a bout turn and swam back the other way. So I'm like reeling in real fast and tossed it in front, and bam, he hit it. Yeah. Nice little guy. He swallowed it though. Okay. Hey, little guy. Okay. Fishing was pretty good at that spot, and probably another 500 feet above it. But beyond that, making my way back, the water was hot, it was stagnant. I wasn't catching anything but bluegill and gar. But oh shit, I got a gar. Let it go, buddy. Just let it go. Thank you. Oh, don't tell me you took my lure. Oh, you sucker. Yeah.
Oh, what do you want to do with this?
I want to look at him.
Oh, okay.
Ow, you sucker.
Oh. It's the abbey, like fishing too.
Well, I just want to look at him, see what
He's
colors.
rusty.
He's rusty. Yeah.
But they on that hook, a little bit of greenish, nice maroon.
I need to look
Not
up
rusty,
at my
maroon.
glasses.
Yeah,
Yeah, it doesn't look anything what I got.
olive and maroon.
But yeah, like a, yeah. Okay, I'll put him back. But it was pretty cool. I got to explore the creek. I think I made about 4.5 miles from where I parked. Yeah, 4.5 miles or so. And I was wearing water shoes. So guys, I don't recommend wearing water shoes and hiking 2 hours because my feet got tore up. Shoot. But I'll be going back there here in a couple days. My next plan is to just get there early, hike the 2 hours, fish there all day long, and then 2 hours before dark, hike back to the car and maximize my fishing in that one spot. Turned out to be a pretty good idea. Just thought I would share it with you guys in case you're having a tough time fishing right now in this heat. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Tight lines, everyone. I'll see you next time. Can't wait to get back there.